Hey guys, welcome back. Today I got a new unboxing for you. This will be a micro quadcopter. This one I've got from Banggood. It's the Eachine E010. If you are into micro FPV quadcopter, you probably already know this quadcopter. It has the same design of the blade. The blade is the base quadcopter for the Tinywhoop project. I'm gonna try to do the same Tinywhoop project based on the Eachine E010. In this video I'm only going to unbox the quadcopter, show you everything that came with the box, and later on I'm going to fly it a bit, then I'm going to make the project, video it for you. Hopefully everything will work fine. Let's get to it. First of all, let's open the shipping package. You can see the box. Very nice. It says one press automatic return. We're gonna check it out probably. 2.4. All the regular stuff. Originally, the Blade quadcopter was also a very simple toy grade quadcopter, but after it was made to be the Tinywhoop project with upgraded motors and the camera, it really took over the market, and now there is similar design. This is also, most of the people will buy it to make an indoor FPV project. Box. It's quite smaller than I imagined it to be. Come with instruction manual, the regular stuff about the transmitter. I don't think it can be bind to the Taranis remote, Foursquare or any other, but I will try it because I have one. On the user manual it's all the basic stuff, the regular stuff. If you already have a quadcopter, you don't really need it. You have a charger for the battery. I'll show you the plug. This is very important if you want to get an extra batteries. Okay. And you have spare props, the remote, 2 AA batteries. It has all the regular stuff, trim on-off switch, and it has a couple of switches. Probably one of them is the return home. And now for the quadcopter. Nice. You can see the size of it. The batteries it came with, 150 milliamps. Very small one. Not sure if it can handle a bigger one. Surely if you add the weight of the camera on it, it's very important. I'm probably gonna take out all the plastic parts that are not needed. Like the top one. Comes out very easy. That's about it to take apart. Nothing much else you can take off. Maybe the battery, plastic tray, and hold it with some rubber band, but that's about it. So this is what came with the box: quadcopter itself, remote, spare props, and a USB charger. Later on I'm gonna fly it a bit. You know what? Let's start it. Let's see if I have some batteries here. Okay, got some batteries. Turn on the remote. Now the quadcopter. Sync. Let's take off. Okay, needs some trimming. Still. Oh, okay. So to keep it in place, a bit hard on the table. Okay, do a short flight test. Start on regular mode. It's kind of hard keeping it level. Let's try to hover a bit. This is hovering. Now let's go to high mode. This is the yaw. Not too bad. Do some flips. Need to give it a bit of throttle after you do it. Very easy. Very nice. Do some crash test. I'm gonna go into the wall slowly. You can see it comes back. Yes. Very nice. Let's try headless mode. I need to set it up first. Yeah, it's in headless mode. You can see. Very easy to control. Okay guys, you saw what came with the box. It's a bit of flying around over the table. I will do a longer flying video with it, and then I'm gonna do the upgrades, try to make it an indoor FPV quadcopter. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and I see you guys next time.